Welcome to another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Last time we talked about workspaces and the general idea of a workspace, but now I'm going to go about showing you how to set up and customize your very own workspace. On this right-hand side here, you have tabs. These tabs can be made into anything you want. You can add tabs, you can remove tabs, and really customize it to be your own personal preference. You do that by going to this window menu here. Now, all of these open up a new menu when you click them. I'll show you color. If I click color, it'll bring a flyout menu that's free floating and movable anywhere you want. Now I can dock this to the right hand side and essentially make that color menu always accessible. Very, very easy. You can get back to color in a single click. On the left hand side, we have tools. Now this little double arrow facing to the right will condense your toolbar. I know this looks like a lot of tools, but it's not even everything Illustrator has to offer. If you click the triple dot at the bottom, it'll bring open every tool Illustrator has. Now as you can see, some are grayed out. If I hover over the grayed out section, it's going to put a blue box around that tool to show you it's already on your toolbar. So now say I want some more tools. I'm going to go to the magic wand tool, I'm going to click it and drag it over to my toolbar and let go. That just added the magic wand to my toolbar and now it's always accessible. So say we have our workspace set up how we want. We're going to go back up here, we're going to hit new workspace and save it under any name you want. Once you hit OK, that workspace will always be there and you can go back to it anytime, anywhere with just a click of a button. Simple, easy.